In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Multi-Device Connection right away. Then select Printing. Click on Default Print Service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And use this switcher to activate it. When your switcher turns green, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!